Norton Antivirus has been protecting the digital world since 1982. That's way before Google was even a thing. But today, I'm here with a Norton review to explore this tech veteran and what it brings to the table in 2025. Okay, first, let's see how Norton's performance has improved over those 4 decades and how good it is today. So I expect nothing but the best here because, Norton themselves are so confident that each plan has a 100% virus protection guarantee. But let's see if they deliver on these promises. So I've done my own tests, but I wanted to review independent test results to establish a benchmark for comparison. For instance, in the most recent AV test results, Norton 360 received top ratings in protection and usability and scored 5.5 out of 6 in performance. Similarly, in the latest report from AV Comparatives, Norton Antivirus was nearly perfect as well, boasted an impressive 99.8% protection rate. But now, let's check out how my testing went. Okay, first, I did something that I don't recommend you doing on your device. I disabled Norton's real-time protection, but that's only for this test to ensure that it wouldn't immediately detect the threats. Then I uploaded 100 malware files of varying threat levels onto my testing device and ran a full scan and waited. It's worth noting that the Norton 360 app offers additional scanning options, but I recommend running a full scan as soon as you install Norton and repeating it at least once a month at the very least. This scan thoroughly examines every corner of your device, but keep in mind that it can be time-consuming, especially if your system contains a large number of files. On my testing device, it took nearly 12 minutes, so it's not that long, and seeing that CPU usage was around 20 to 30%, I could perform other tasks during the scan anyway. But most importantly, Norton Antivirus successfully detected 81 out of the 100 threats. While that's not perfect, the results are actually pretty great. Now, I also wanted to do the same test with real-time protection. This feature works 24/7, serving as the primary defense layer of your device. If real-time protection is disabled, the app will warn you that your device is at risk, but the alert disappears as soon as the feature is reactivated. So, to test the capabilities, I re-downloaded all the malware files onto the device. Initially, it seemed like nothing was happening, but just a couple of seconds later, a file would appear and then vanish. And after about 3 minutes, I had the results. So Norton's real-time protection independently detected and removed 81 malicious files again. Overall, yes, I was satisfied with the results as these are just 2 parts of the overall protection that Norton provides. So if all you care about is protection against malware, then I can definitely recommend getting Norton Antivirus. Besides, with my discount that you get by scanning this QR code or clicking on the link in the description, the price gets reduced significantly. All right, let's talk about Norton's ease of use. So Norton has come a long way in terms of user interface. In the past, its UI was often criticized for being clunky and unintuitive. With 4 separate windows, users had to navigate to access different features. This design was widely regarded as one of Norton's biggest drawbacks, and the community didn't hold back in voicing their frustration. To Norton's credit, they listened to their user base and made significant improvements. Today, the Norton interface is smooth, streamlined, and far more user-friendly. Features are clearly organized, allowing users to quickly find and manage settings without the hassle of jumping between multiple windows. The app still has plenty of features, so there are easier antivirus apps to navigate, but that's just the price for being so extensive. So with that said, let's take a look at all the features that I find to be most useful. Starting with dark web monitoring, which scans the dark web for personal information like email, address, phone number, and credit card details. For instance, if you're alerted that your email address has appeared in a leaked database, Norton promptly advises you to change your password to safeguard your account. So for families, parental controls can make all the difference, enabling parents to manage their children's online activity, screen time, and content access. For example, you can configure parental controls on your child's tablet to block inappropriate websites and limit online gaming to 2 hours per day, ensuring that they have time to focus on schoolwork. Norton also excels at detecting and removing intrusive software. Its anti-spyware and adware protection tackles programs designed to spy on your activity or flood your screen with ads. So if you notice frequent pop-ups, even offline, Norton can identify the hidden adware and remove it to resolve the problem. The Smart Firewall is another essential tool, monitoring and controlling your network traffic to prevent unauthorized access. For example, if a suspicious application tries to send data from your PC to an unknown server, the Smart Firewall blocks the connection and notifies you, protecting your data from potential breaches. Additionally, Norton includes SafeCam protection, which prevents unauthorized access to your webcam, ensuring your privacy is secure. That's especially needed for me, as this is my bedroom. So, since it delivers top-notch security against malware, it also comes with plenty of useful features. The natural question is how much Norton is going to cost you. So this might come as a bit of a surprise to you, but it's definitely budget friendly, especially if we look at its entry-level plan. But this basic tier only covers a single device and doesn't include Norton security features such as VPN or dark web monitoring. Now, if you want those extras, the standard plan is a better option, offering VPN access and coverage for up to 3 devices. But for the best value, the Norton 360 Deluxe tier really stands out. It includes everything from the standard plan plus 50 gigabytes of cloud backup instead of just 2, and a privacy monitor, parental controls, and coverage for 5 devices. So for those who take security to the next level, the Select Plus plan is the ultimate choice. So it not only adds Norton LifeLock, which is an identity theft protection feature, but also extends coverage to 10 devices and 250 gigabytes cloud backup, as well as social security and credit cards. All right, so I've mentioned that VPN is also available with all except the cheapest plan. If you still don't have a VPN, it's definitely a good bundle plan to consider. Norton VPN provides a reliable way to secure your online activity. I mean, it offers unlimited data usage, allowing me to browse, stream, and work online without any restrictions. Your data is safeguarded with golden standard encryption. Additionally, the VPN includes a kill switch feature, which maintains your privacy by disconnecting you from the internet if the VPN connection is ever interrupted. And in case you need just a VPN, besides a discount for all Norton Antivirus plans, I've also got one just for the VPN. You can find the links for either in the description. Now, if you don't need a VPN, but you want Norton Password Manager, the good news is that it comes with every Norton plan and offers all the key password manager features that you'd expect, including secure password storage and generator autofill and security dashboard that monitors the health of your logins and passwords. So in a way, it's a full-on free of charge password manager. Okay, talking about things you can get for free, I do have to mention Norton Safe Search. It's a secure search engine designed to help protect you from visiting malicious websites. It filters search results to block potential harmful or unsafe sites, so it ensures a safer browsing experience. And yes, this feature is completely free to use, making it a simple yet valuable addition to your online security toolkit. Okay, that covers my review. Is Norton Antivirus good? Overall, it definitely is. It shows among the best malware detection results. It's packed with features, including extras like a VPN or a password manager, so it covers all the bases. And the pricing doesn't bite either, especially if you use a Norton coupon code from the description. To be honest, the only reason not to consider it is if you want a simpler, not so packed antivirus solution. So I've covered some of those in my channel already, and I've got more coming, so don't forget to subscribe and like this video while you're at it. Okay, see you around. Bye.